Hey Maximizers, welcome back to my channel. My name's Crystal. This is Kinsley having an afternoon snack. We are at BJ's. We are doing grocery shopping this week. I've already done a Walmart grocery haul, which I will link up here so you can go and check that out. We're doing BJ's right now. And then also later in a few days, you're going to see a Target haul. So what me and Bae did is we sat down and we have our running grocery list on our fridge. And we were like, we're getting this from Walmart. We had $100 to spend at Walmart. We have $100 to spend at Target. And then we don't want to exceed $100 at BJ's, and this is cash out of pocket. The other two were between food stamps and a gift card that I got from Fleas for Target. So what we're gonna get from BJ's today is, I think we have coupons for almost everything. We're gonna get Fiji water because Bae loves it, but there's a $4 coupon, so I'm like, yes, I may even surprise him and get him 2 cases. We need some regular bottles of water for when we leave the house. We're gonna get Dawn Power Wash. We have a coupon. We need chips. I'm getting some Swedish fish. We're gonna get some chocolate chip muffins for Kinsley. We're gonna get some Frito cheese, a bag of onions, and I'm probably gonna buy myself a bottle of wine because this is the cheapest place to get it. So my goal is to not exceed $100 here at BJ's. We're gonna see what we can do, and I'm getting everything from this list. So with the coupons, I think we're gonna be able to do really well. So let's go ahead and go right into BJ's and get these groceries. All right, y'all. So my favorite wine is this Roscato. Okay, super sweet red wine. Me and Bae love it. Okay, this is the cheapest price we can get it. Usually it's $10.99 or $11.99 at Publix or Target. And right here, until March 31st, when you buy 3, you get $5 off. So what that means is it's $30 for 3 bottles, but you're gonna save $5. So that means it's $25 for 3 bottles. And if I do my math correctly, okay, let's do it. $9.99 times 3, subtract 5, divided by 3, $8.32 a bottle. That is the cheapest we've ever got this wine. I just text Bae, I'm like, I have to. So I'll probably be going a little bit over budget because, like, this is so much better. So much better. I have to do it. I have to get it. All right, Maximizers, this is everything. It definitely should not exceed $20. I did not write a breakdown. When I grocery shop, I don't do a whole breakdown when I grocery shop. But I will show you all of the coupons that we have. I've scanned everything to see what coupons we have available. So this is everything I clipped. A Fiji coupon, and the Power Wash coupon, and the muffin coupon. So that's what's gonna come off for us, but we definitely should be under $100. And then down here we just have water. So I got a 40 case of water. We got 1 case of Fiji water. We got the 3 bottles of wine, and we're gonna save $5 off of those. We've got a bag of onions. We've got the Tostitos salsa con queso that Bae loves. We got ground red pepper because that is what we need, cayenne pepper. Chocolate chip muffins for Kinsley. We got the Dawn Power Wash, and we got the 2 bags of chips for $7.98. So that's everything we're gonna grab. We're gonna head to the register. When we get to the car, I will let you know exactly how much we spend. Okay, here's our total before coupons. All right, y'all, all of our coupons came off. We got the $5 for the Rosado. We got the $2 for the Dawn. We got the $1 for the muffins. We got the $4 for the Fiji. And another $2 for the Dawn. Oh, shoot. It gave us $2 for the Dawn twice. Let me just go back and double check that was all the coupons. They gave us $2 for the Dawn twice. That happens sometimes. Yes, that was all of our coupons. So now you're going to press yes. So now they're going to take my ID. Alright, y'all, we're back in the car from BJ's. It's a rainy day, so let's end this video. We got 11 items, and as I showed y'all on the screen, and my microphone is like, as I showed y'all on the screen, our total went from $100 down to, with tax, $87.48. Before tax, it was $84.48, and like I said, we got 11 items, which I am so grateful for. It says we saved $27 today, and we had $14 in coupons. My year-to-date savings at BJ's, $399. So it's definitely worth paying $50 for a membership to save $399. So I'm excited. I'm grateful and thankful. All of our coupons came off. I'm happy with what we got. So like I said, I have one more grocery trip to do, and that's going to be to Target. That video will be up on all of my platforms here real soon. So let me know down in the comments if you shop at BJ's. If you want to get a BJ's membership, I do have a code where you can get your first year for $25 versus $50. So y'all, it's like 50% off your first year. So that link will be down in the description box, and I will also leave my BJ's playlist so you can check out my previous BJ hauls that we've done. So Kinsley wants to say bye. Bye-bye. So thank you all so much for your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there as you are shopping, and as always,
please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.